Oh yeah, would you look at that? Yo, what's up everybody? Yeah, we're back here in the garage at Brzezicki Brothers Performance, and we're about to give you another look at the Coyote Swap Fox. Give it a little cold start for you, and we'll take a look at it. So, take a look. It's the Coyote Swap. We just did a couple little things, and I'm gonna take you around and show you what's up. Oh yeah. Check out the Windshield Banner. Looking pretty sick. Now, I just made that on the internet. Found the website. Oh, what's that? A Mach One Lip. The modded bumper. Little tame right now until you hit the gas with the Mach 3-inch exhaust. There it is, the heart of the beast. Sounding good. Still gotta set some stuff up. 4-speed cow and the fuel sender. Shut it off for a second. Oh, new door handle bezels. Still need a couple things for in here too. You know, floor mats, sun visors, some other little odds and ends. But I love these 03 Cobra seats. You know, battery in the back. I may eventually put the rear seats in, have to do some mods. But for now, it's gonna stay rear seat deleted. And this is what the Coyote swap is looking like. Got the e-brake fixed. The e-brake's all fixed. Put the adjustable cable on. Modded the handle. The other door bezel. So it's all black interior, but I don't think it definitely wasn't all original black. Some of it is definitely painted, but that's not a big deal. And this is the Coyote swaps looking like. Smooth bay. Ported Boss intake. Ported throttle body by me. You know, the Steeda cold air intake for right now. All the HPS silicone hoses. It's the Ford Racing Gen 1 control pack. See the fuel rails, basically 4 fuel rails. Evolution Performance. Hot rod. Fuel lines and fittings. You can see the 4 fuel regulator down there. We also got the big 4 fuel filter in the back by the tank. Maxim Motorsports everything. You can see we got the hood cable on. We got the hood safety latch. Now we need the little one piece. I forget what it's called. That comes out of the hole right there to actually lock it. We got the hood release cable in. And you like the 03 Cobra pedals? Yeah, I actually got the 03 Cobra pedals in here that I modified to fit. We got the 5.0 emblems on, the new school ones that were off of the 2013 Street Sleeper. Found them laying in a drawer and was like, why not put them on? We'll see how the Brembos perform with the 18-inch tires. 245 40s, 18s in the front. 275 35 18s in the rear. With the regular SN95 5-lug swap disc brake conversion in the rear. You can see the Maxim Motorsports coilovers peeking out. And let me know what you think. My custom front bumper. I'm liking it. I'm digging it. I never liked that little space where it said Mustang. Man, I could just look at this all day. The Coyote Swap Fox built here at Brzezicki Brothers Performance. You need something done? Let me know. Send me a message, hit me up. We can get something figured out. So that's the Coyote Swap Fox for you. I hope you're digging it. I'm digging it. Keep tuning in, keep hitting them like, share, and subscribe buttons, and give me some feedback on it. You know, it ain't a perfect car. It's got its dents and dings. So we're gonna get back at it here at the garage, and till them next videos, peace.